Hello, I'm Jeff M. Brown, legal writer with the State Bar of Wisconsin. If you are a young lawyer, you're going to want to mark your calendars for March 8th. That is the date of the Young Lawyers Conference at the Monona Convention Center here in Madison. I'm here today with Tiffany Woelfel, president of the Young Lawyers Division, to talk about the conference. Welcome, Tiffany.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You bet. So, why should lawyers attend the Young Lawyers Conference, Tiffany?
Well, it's a great opportunity for young lawyers to get to meet other young lawyers across the state, get some CLEs in. There's usually 4 to 5 CLE credits, as well as networking opportunities and other professional development. And the best part of it all is it's free for young lawyers. If you're a member of the division, it's free for you to attend.
What are a couple of the biggest challenges facing young lawyers, and how can attending this conference help them begin to deal with those?
So I think one of the biggest challenges I faced as a young lawyer was meeting other young lawyers. I got done with law school and ended up in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and didn't know a ton of other people there. And so this conference allows you to get to meet young lawyers across the state from other parts of the state that you might not have gotten to work with before or meet before. And you learn that we all face a lot of the same challenges and we can learn from each other. So it's great to start building that network and that community right away out of law school. And it gives you an opportunity to meet the other young lawyers from other law schools, whether you went to Madison or Marquette, or especially if you graduated from a school outside of Wisconsin and are coming to work in Wisconsin. It's a great opportunity to build that network of yours.
No, that's it. Thank you. What's the other one?
I think a lot of times young lawyers struggle to find CLEs and development material that's appropriate for their tenure, for their time as a young lawyer. Sometimes we need learning opportunities that are tailored to us, and often it's one size fits all when you go to CLEs. So one of the things that we've started with the YLC is offering breakout opportunities and different paths so individuals can pick which CLEs resonate to them and what they can learn the most from. And we try to do it a variety of different corporate versus transactional litigation. And whether you're a new young lawyer or a more seasoned young lawyer, we're going to have something that's going to resonate for you.
There's also going to be a judges panel, is there not? Talk a little bit about that, if you would.
Yeah, so we are actually blessed to be hearing from a number of judges. Our keynote speaker over lunch is going to be Justice Hines. She is a former Massachusetts State Supreme Court Justice. She graduated from the University of Wisconsin before starting her career out in Massachusetts. So she's going to come back to Wisconsin and teach us about her career and the lessons she's learned over starting her career and then making it to the bench. She was the first African American woman to be appointed to the Massachusetts State Supreme Court bench, and she served on that until she retired. So we're really excited to hear from her. And then our afternoon is going to cap with a judges panel where we're going to have a number of judges from around the state here because they're eager to give their advice to young lawyers. It often seems intimidating to want to talk to a judge, but they are so excited to train the next generation and to talk to young lawyers. So they're here to give us advice about what to do as young lawyers and how to navigate courtrooms and what they've learned along the way.
What would you say to anyone who's on the fence about coming to the conference?
I think you should definitely come, especially at the price point. I mean, if you're a young lawyer, it's free. So even if you can't come all day, if you can just come for the morning or just come for the afternoon, it's a great return on investment to even be able to come because it's a free event. You're going to get opportunities for CLEs, to meet new people, to network. The event caps with a networking reception where you're going to get to meet and mingle with some of your other members who have attended and get to know people. And it's just a great opportunity to get out of the office and do something a little different on a Friday.
Great. Thank you, Tiffany, president of the Young Lawyers Division, talking about the Young Lawyers Conference. Look forward to seeing you on March 8th for the conference in Madison. Thanks again.
Thanks, Jeff.
Bye-bye.